Ready to unlock a world of learning with IXL? Discover how to effortlessly sign in and access a treasure trove of educational resources. Whether you're a student, parent, or educator, we've got you covered every step of the way. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.ixl.com/profile into the address bar to access the website. In the window that opens, enter your username and password, then click on the Sign In button. If you don't remember your username or password, don't worry. You can use the links below the boxes. Don't forget to support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment with your thoughts, and subscribing for more educational tutorials like this one. Your engagement fuels our commitment to providing valuable content. Questions or need further assistance? Drop us a comment below and our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Lug & Page as your go-to resource for all things IXL.